everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we are finally unboxing the Artsnacks box for October 2020. I'm a little bit behind on unboxings because I got so caught up in Inktober, but we will definitely be catching up here. Might take a minute, but we're gonna do it. As always, we have our wonderful little menu that lets us know exactly what's inside. We have our snack, which I got a Dum Dum in bubblegum flavor, and our cute little sticker that we get every month is in here as well. The first piece of actual art supplies is a Plumchester paint marker. It is normally $8.99 retail. This is a new product and it's an Artsnacks exclusive, obviously because that's Artsnacks' brand. Meet the newest addition to the Plumchester family, the Plumchester paint marker. This marker is filled with water-based acrylic paint that's fast drying, opaque, and permanent. By reversing the tip, you'll find two different nibs. 3mm bullet on one end and a 5mm chisel on the other. To use, shake well, remove cap, and press nib down on your surface several times until saturated. Next we have a Annelier Ink Brush, and this is normally $7.95 retail. This is a new product as well. For 130 years, Annelier has combined traditional art making with modern chemistry. They develop truly innovative products, such as their brand new Ink Brush. This brush pen is filled with highly transparent, intense watercolor ink that flows smoothly from fine synthetic bristles. So far, I do like how the Plumchester paint marker and the Annelier ink brush both apply. I also like the colors. I don't know if I like them together though. Next we have a Windsor Fineliner. This is normally $2.99 retail. Fluidly capture your ideas with the Windsor Fineliner. With water-resistant, not completely waterproof, and non-fading pigment ink, this pen fits every style of sketching. Its smoothly tapered nib is not only elegant, but also delivers consistent and reliable ink flow. I have a few of these. I do like them. I got sepia with this, so I don't know how I feel about the brown with the other two colors I got. Obviously, because this was an October box, they are focusing heavily on ink because of Inktober. This item is a Royal Talons Indian ink. It's normally $4.95 retail. It's a staff favorite. Achieve deep matte black in your artwork with Royal Talons Indian ink. This pigment-based ink is extremely light flashed and waterproof once dry. Try using it directly out of the bottle or thin with water to create different grayscale shades. You can expect excellent performance when used with your new dip pen. And speaking of dip pen, here it is. This is a Speedball standard pen nib holder and number 512 pen nib. It's normally $3.30. Try out your inking skills with the Speedball standard pen nib holder and number 512 pen nib. This nib has an extra fine, semi-flexible tip perfect for drawing or lettering. To use, insert the nib into the circular opening on the nib holder's tip. Be sure to wash your nib with warm water after every use. This will be nice to have. I do need to practice more with using a dip pen. I'm not very good at it, so having something like this and playing around with it will be good just to learn. Here's everything we got. Like I said earlier, I'm not sure about the colors I have. I think if they would have been a little different, I might be more excited. I'm just not sure how to use the brown, the yellow, and the purple all together. But with that, this late unboxing, and therefore this video is pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, that you want to let me know what colors you got in October's box, let me know all about that in the comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, I do Artsnacks unboxings and projects once a month. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you will definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!